Hello and welcome to our channel. Here we have Dina to assist us and Mariana. They're going to help us learn the Slow Waltz Box Step. This is a Slow Waltz Box Step tutorial. So let's start placing our hands on our waist and feet together. We're going to lower the knees, bend both knees. We're going to step forward with the heel and step side with a toe and close the feet and lower. Step back with a toe, side with a toe and close. And down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good. So what's important is that when we step forward with the toe, with the heel, sorry, and side with the toe on the toes, and gently and smoothly lower down. Waltz is a very smooth and elegant dance, and we don't want to be choppy or do these sorts of movements. And so it's very swingy from up. Let's do this movement. And down, up, down, up, down, up. Very good. Let's try again. And feet together. This is called the sixth position of the feet. So when our toes are together and feet are parallel. So our feet are always parallel in waltz and in sixth position. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Chin up. Posture. 1, 2, 3. Very confident. Look. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's try to music and see how it fits on the music. You ready? And bend the knees. 1, 2, let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Close the feet. 1, 2, 3. Smooth. Close the feet. Forward with the heel. 1, 2, 3. Down, up, up, down, down, up, close, down, down, up. Very good. Very good. Thank you. So also click on the link below in the info for a box step dance along where we do 1 whole minute of just a box step. So we hope you rewatch this video and look for details of the technique and repeat it many, many times to master the Slow Waltz Box Step. Thank you for joining us. Bye!